What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a used 2019 Chevrolet Equinox LT with just 33,876 miles on it. It's still under factory warranty. It comes in the Nightfall gray metallic exterior with jet black cloth interior. Is a one-owner, clean CarFax with no accidents. Has the 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine and gets 170 horsepower. 26 miles per gallon in the city, 32 miles per gallon on the highway. You've got alloy wheels, great cargo space. It's a 5-seater with split folding rear seats, remote keyless entry, push to start, touchscreen display, backup camera, premium audio, Bluetooth, electronic parking brake, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details today. Again, this is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and you just took a look at a used 2019 Chevrolet Equinox LT.